Coming into Wednesday, looking bullish for the hourly high got taken yesterday as well, so we're at the all-time highs. So I'd be sticking to stay bullish, but on the MES chart, the S&P 500, affecting the 1 hour high is corresponding to the new day opening gap, and it will be almost like a good region to see price bounce up off of. So I'd be expecting price, if it does go down on MES as well, that it would rebound off that area, and I would take a trade going up higher. Onto the 15-minute chart, not a whole lot to see here. I just had the 15-minute low marked in, and I'd be expecting price to really just find support within the midpoint of this range, more like specifically off the 1 hour high if it does come down there. But on the 5 minute as well, I just had the 5 minute low marked in, and yeah, I'll be looking for price to stay bullish anyway today. Price action wise for the day, at the open we got a choppy enough open with an initial move up, but then just chopped our way down, and from there we continued fairly rapidly falling, but there was a lot of overlapping candles, and we took out a low I marked in during the session, and then we took out the 5 minute low not long after, and before taking out the 5 minute low we sort of found support off the new day opening gap, but we took out the 5 minute low anyway. And on MES in the morning, I was saying that I was looking to see support being found off the 1 hour high and the new day opening gap, but MES never reached all the way down to it at this stage of the game. So I after the 5 minute low was taken out, we got an initial move up and a small bit of sideways action, but then we got a second move up, taking out them two highs. And I waited for the 5 minute close above the new day opening gap, and then that's when I looked to take a long position targeting the low I marked in during the session. That would be my first target, and I was going long with 5 micro contracts, and my first target was 1.19 risk to reward, but I bought into I market bought into the position instead of limit buying in, because my position got tapped, but it never put me into it with the limit order, so I just market bought in anyway, and yeah, got a worse fill because of that, but price anyway continued down through the fair value gap I was looking to enter in on, almost stopped me out, and then we had sideways action. I marked in a bearish 1 minute for value gap, and we got a good tap off it and a push down, which I didn't like to see. Obviously, I wanted to see price just fly straight up past it, but we got consolidation around that area, tapped it another time, and from there price went down and hit my stop loss, taking me out of the trade, and has now taken out that initial low that was put in that morning. And ES has just after hitting the 1 hour high and the new day opening gap, so that's initially where I was looking to take a trade off of, as the rejection off that level. Probably should have waited longer, to be honest, but still, it looked like we were going to continue higher after taking out those two little highs, and yeah. But anyway, down on the day overall, 297 and 50 cent, and on the demo so far, I'm down 192 and 50 cent.